Best Wix templates for fashion and e-commerce websites. Hey guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you the best Wix templates for fashion and e-commerce websites. So let's get into it. First of all, you're going to go to wix.com and you will land right here. Wix.com is a very famous website builder that allows you to create your online store, create your own blog, portfolio websites, and much more. When it comes to creating an e-commerce website on Wix, we can actually use a lot of different templates, and especially in our fashion niche. So today I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and select the best templates and what are the different templates available on Wix. So let's actually go to the template section on Wix right here. You can also go to wix.com/website/templates and it will take you right here. First of all, we can customize our search and you're going to go to the store right here. And in store, we have online store and then we have fashion and clothing. So I'm going to select this one. And now we have all of these templates available. You can see if you want to create a clothing store, we have more than 50 templates available right here. You can see we have a lot of different pages. So when it comes to a clothing store, it depends on what kind of store you are creating. So let's go ahead and check out some of the templates. This template is for a tea shop and you can see right here how good this one looks. It has the best selling products right here and you can hover over them to check out the products. We will be able to add the buttons. We have a banner image and then at the end we have a footer. This is a pretty good customizable template available on Wix. We can also get a mobile view and we will be able to see how our website looks on mobile phone. So you can see we have banner image, pretty straightforward, and then we have our bestseller products. We have a lot of different pages. We have some promotion going on, and then we have our footer at the end. So this one is a pretty good template that I can edit out. Moving on, we have something in men's clothing. You can see we have like outerwear collection. So let's check out this one. So this is pretty good for a menswear website. So it has that aesthetic look to it and it is in brown and black format, but you can also change the design and the theme of a website according to your website. But you can see we have all of the product images right here and we also have categories created. We have an about page. We are getting a blog as well. We have points of sales and a login option available. This is going to be the cart icon. We have some socials at this side of the screen, a chat option available. So you can also edit this website to create a fashion and clothing store. Similarly, if we move on to a swimwear store, so if you want to create that, you can actually check out this template right here. So this is a pretty good template for your swimwears, and if you want to sell a fitness product or something in fitness, then you can actually use this. We have different categories created such as one piece, we have beachwear and others, then we have a home, we have shop page, then we have campaigns, about, context. So you can see we have a banner image with this style. We have a gallery right here. So this is a pretty impressive template that you can check out in fashion and clothing. Similarly, we have all of the other templates available right here under our fashion and clothing here. With fashion and clothing, we can also check out the accessory websites because this is also included in fashion. So in accessories, you can see we have a bag store. So if you want to create a store, if you sell bags, then you should definitely go to the accessory one and check out this template right here. So this is a bag store and you can see it has the bestseller. It has an a image and you can see the bags are shown right here. You can check them out. So this is a pretty impressive template for a bag store. So in fashion, if you want to sell it, and you can see this right here, the scrolling effect is looking pretty good and I can customize it completely to create a very professional and aesthetically pleasing website for my bag store. So this is actually pretty impressive. Similarly, we have a jewelry store here, we have accessories here, watch store here, then we have eyewear in fashion, eyewear shop, this one as well. Then we have shoes and this one is jewelry as well. This one is again clothing and this one is jewelry. So let me actually show you. If you want to create a jewelry store, then you can check out this template right here. So all you need to do is you just click on view and it gives you a preview of the template and then you can edit out completely. I'm just showing you around all of the best templates available on Wix that you should definitely check out if you want to create an e-commerce store, if you want to sell your products, and especially if you have fashion products. So in jewelry, you can see this one is a minimal style in pastel and white color, and this one is really pretty when it comes to our minimal jewelry. So you can check out this one. It has a collection page, location, about, and contact. So this one right here. Then we have watch right here. So a lot of people create a watch store, and it's a very important part of our accessories, and it's a very important fashion statement. So you can create a watch website. If you want to create an online store to sell watches, then you should definitely check out this template right here. You can see it has the pretty decent design to sell our watches, and you can see we have all of the buttons available. We have a banner image, and I can edit it out. We can also get a mobile view from here. Then we can also check out the second and the third page. A lot of people actually don't know about this, that there are pages on the templates. They just check out the first page and they feel like this is it, but no, there are other pages as well. We also have a face mask shop. So you can check out this one right here, and then we have a shoe one. Shoe is also really important, so we can actually view this one right here, which is the last option on second page of our jewelry and accessories. So here we have our shoes, and you can create a shoe website like this. We have our best sellers here. Then we have some of the features as well, such as sustainability. We have the stuff, and then at the bottom we have a footer that shows us the collection. We have sale, about, contact. Then we have Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest, like different socials that we can add. Keep in mind, all of these templates that I showed you are completely customizable, and you will be able to change each and everything if you want to. If you want to go with the same template, then you can do that as well. But of course, we upload our images right here. We'll change the name of the website, everything, and this way we will have our own customized website. Make sure to also get a preview of the template on a mobile view, because we are always using our mobile phone. So a website should be mobile friendly, so that people can buy different products. So you can see right here, this is the shoe website right here. So you can go ahead and check out this template on wix.com. So yeah, guys, these are all of the different templates available for an online store, an e-commerce store for fashion, and these are all of the different templates that will help you create a professional and aesthetically pleasing website. Go ahead and check them out right now. You can select any of the templates from here, click on edit, and it will take you to your Wix editor, where you will be able to create all of the different websites. You can see I already have some of the websites that I'm working on. This one is a fashion website, and this one right here. All of these templates will help you get started and create the website of your dreams and sell your products to run a successful business online. I hope that I was a big help to you guys. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.